Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to crochet a super cute cactus. We will use green yarn. Round 1, create a magic ring with 5 single crochet stitches. Please note that at the end of each round, we will slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 1. In round 2, crochet 5 increases. From round 3 to round 4, crochet 10 single crochet stitches without increasing. In round 5, crochet 5 decreased stitches. At the end of round 5, slip stitch, chain 1, and cut the yarn. For the small wings, make 2 more identical pieces. The medium wings follow the same pattern as the small wings for rounds 1 and 2. Complete them on your own. For round 3, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase, then repeat the pattern 5 times. From rounds 4 to 6, crochet 15 single crochets without increasing. Everyone, complete it on your own. Round 7, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat the pattern 5 times. At the end of round 7, slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1, and cut the yarn. For the medium-sized wings, make 3 more pieces using the same pattern. For the large wing, in the first row, create a magic ring with 4 single crochet stitches. We will still slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the row and chain 1. For the second row, crochet 4 increases. Row 3, crochet 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 4 times. Row 4, crochet 2 single crochets, then 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 4 times. From row 5 to row 10, crochet 16 single crochets without increasing. Row 11, crochet 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat the pattern 4 times. Row 12, crochet 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat the pattern 4 times. Finish row 12, cut the yarn, and weave in the excess yarn. Make 4 more large wings following the same pattern. For the soil part, use dark brown yarn to resemble real soil. Round 1, create a magic ring with 8 single crochet stitches. Slip stitch into the first stitch of each round, then chain 1. Round 2, make 8 increases, 16 stitches in total. Round 3, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 8 times, 24 stitches. Round 4, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, repeat 8 times, 32 stitches. Round 5, 3 single crochets, 1 increase, repeat 8 times, 40 stitches. Round 6, 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets, repeat 8 times, 48 stitches. At the end of round 6, leave a 20-centimeter yarn tail for sewing. Use a lighter colored yarn for this part. From rounds 1 to 6, crochet the same way as the soil part above. Then, flip it over and crochet into the outer loops of round 6. Make 48 single crochet stitches, then slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. After finishing the round, cut the yarn and weave in the excess yarn. Let's go back to the 6th row we just crocheted in BLO. Pull the yarn through the first stitch and crochet into the remaining inner loops. Slip stitch to finish row 7. From rows 8 to 11, crochet 4 more rows of 48 single crochet stitches. After finishing row 11, chain 2 and crochet row 12 with 48 half double crochet stitches, working into the front loops only. At the end of row 12, slip stitch into the first stitch, chain 1, and cut the yarn. Great, now that the pot is done, let's use a needle to sew the soil part to the inner side of the pot. Make sure to match the stitches properly for a neat finish. Once you're almost done sewing, stuff the pot with filling, then finish sewing the remaining part to secure it in place. All done! Now let's attach the branches, small ones on the inside, medium ones in the middle, and big ones on the outside. Then, just use glue to secure them, and we're finished. Ta-da! We finished our adorable cactus pot. If you love it, don't forget to hit subscribe, and let's make more amazing creations together.